guys, so I'm going to be doing a Glossier first impressions sort of video, even though some of these things I've been using for a few weeks now, or maybe even like a month, but let's just get right into it. So the first thing I got, no, these are not the first things I got, was this Milky Jelly cleanser, and then also this priming moisturizer, the rich one. And I've been using them for the past month, maybe? I'm not sure, a few weeks. I'm not really positive how long, but I'd say probably around a month. So basically, the Milky Jelly cleanser, it's not my favorite. The smell, it doesn't have a smell. It kind of just smells like baby diapers. Not baby diapers, baby wipes. Which is like, isn't a bad smell, but it's just like, I don't know. It's a conditioning face wash, and I don't know, I have, oh my gosh, I've been doing this whole video with my acne stuff on my face. That's really fun. Okay, anyways, so yeah, where was I? It made me break out, I think, because this breakout came after I started using this, and my skin wasn't that bad before. Like, I haven't been getting big breakouts like this. And also, I personally, I'm not sure if anyone else is like this, I bet people are, but I like seeing things like when they work. So basically, if it was like, I like when cleanser, like you could see it like scrub, you can see it like sudsing and stuff, because then it feels like it's working. But this is just like conditioning, so it's just like, it just doesn't suds, it just like, I don't know, it's smooth. It's not harsh on the skin, which I do like, but I will not be getting this again. I am not a big fan of this one. But the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Rich, I really like this stuff. I don't like the smell too much. It smells like kind of like lemongrass, but like very natural smelling. In the beginning, I really was not sure if I could take this smell, because I'm not, some smells like can really make me like feel nauseous, and this is one of the smells that really does not settle with me. But as I started using it, I didn't mind it, and right now I don't really mind it. It just smells really natural, so I think that's a plus or a minus, depending on which way you look at it. Like it says, it's rich, and it's so moisturizing, and I just love the moisture. It doesn't make my face feel too greasy or anything. I really like it. I'll probably be repurchasing this, even though it is a little expensive for the amount you get. But I use a lot of moisturizer, and I'm almost at the end of it, and I got it like a month and a half ago probably. So I don't know if the price is worth it, but yeah, I might repurchase this, but I'm not sure. Then I also have this Glossier Priming Moisturizer. This is just the normal one. It's a buildable hydrating cream. And my mom accidentally got this and this together when she was supposed to get this, so we just kept this one. And my face is dry, so that's why I like getting the rich creams. But this priming moisturizer is so good right before you put on makeup, because I'll usually put this on in the morning, and then for school I'll just keep this on, and then I'll just put on my makeup. But for weekends or days I don't have school, I usually wash my face the first thing in the morning, and then I don't put on makeup till like midday. This is good to put on right before makeup, because normally like sprays, like I have the Mairead spray and I love it so much, but if I just put that on before my makeup, my face will still be dry, and like there'll be dry patches like on my nose especially. So I always use a moisturizer before, I speak way too fast. So I always put on a moisturizer before I put on my makeup. So before we start with the makeup, I'm just going to show you one more thing that I got. I got this Invisible Shield Daily Sunscreen from the Glossier store in New York City. And I wanted this stuff so much because I don't have any face sunscreens, and I know this one is really good because I've seen so many reviews on it. So it's kind of sunny today. I think I'm going to start with this instead of a moisturizer, because I think, oh no, you use this after the priming moisturizer, so I'm going to put this on first. It says, apply over your entire face after the priming moisturizer before the perfecting skin tint. I didn't buy the perfecting skin tint, so yeah, we're just going to put on the priming moisturizer first. Okay, so my lips are always dry, so I'm just going to put on this Coconut Balm.com Lip Salve. It's not coming out. What the heck? For some reason, it's not coming out. Wait, that's so sketch. It's like not coming out of the tube when I'm squeezing it. See? I'm scared it's gonna like pop. Oh, it did pop. This stuff tastes so good. I haven't tried this yet. I have the birthday cake one, but it's a little old and like kind of chunky, which sounds gross, but this one tastes so good. I definitely recommend this. Before I put on the sunscreen, I'm gonna take this Glossier Zit Stick, and it's a breakout eraser. I'm just gonna put it on my spots that I have. It reduces the inflammation and redness. While I let that sink in, I'm just gonna quickly review the prices of everything. Okay, so the Milky Jelly cleanser was $18. I'm just noticing now that there is a mini size if you just want to test this product. So I probably should have done that, but I don't think we knew that there was a mini option. This one is 6 fluid ounces and the mini is 2 fluid ounces. The priming moisturizer Rich is... Okay, so the Rich priming moisturizer was $35. Pretty expensive. The normal priming moisturizer is $22, but we got these two in a set for $40, including these two came in a set with the coconutbalm.com, and altogether these were $40. The balm.coms are usually $12 each, so I say getting these three together is a really good deal if you're into the Milky Jelly cleanser, because I know a lot of people like the Milky Jelly cleanser if you look on reviews online. The Zit Stick was $14. And lastly, the Invisible Shield was $25. So now we're just gonna put this on. I'm only doing one pump, see how far it goes. Okay, I'm gonna need a second. Okay, so the Invisible Shield, it has SPF 30. It's not like a normal greasy, gross like face sunscreen. I actually really like it. It's more of like a moisturizing one. And it has like a slight scent of normal like sunscreen, but not noticeable at all, I don't think, once it's on your face. But yeah, I like that stuff so far. Okay, so next I'm gonna take out my stretch concealer in the color Light. Looks like this. It's such cute packaging. It's filled to the top, which is really good. I'm just gonna use my fingers because I know my fingers are clean and it's fine with concealer. Okay, so this is definitely light coverage, but I really like it because it's a better option or alternative when you're having a good skin day and you just want a little bit of makeup instead of putting on heavy duty concealer. And normally to school I don't like putting on the most amount of makeup, so that's why I have like a sheer foundation, but I'll probably just put on this in the morning because I really like it. It has no smell. It's super light and like blendable. It's not good for covering spots, obviously, because it's very sheer coverage, so I'll probably have to go in with like a thicker concealer. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my normal concealer and just cover up. I'm just gonna also go in with my Laura Mercier powder and just set my under eyes a little bit, not too heavy. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the lid stars. So I got 2 lid stars for Christmas, and also I just want to say I got this for Christmas. So I have the lid star in Moon and then the lid star in Cup. I'll take them out and show you guys real quick. So this is Moon and this is Cup. So I think I'm gonna go in with Moon because I think it matches my outfit a little bit better today. Open. Got it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my finger and dab it around. Okay, so it's basically just like iridescent shimmers that's left behind once you put it on, which I think is so pretty, but I think I'm going to add a little bit of Cub, just a little bit though, because I don't want it to clash with the orange, which actually I don't think it will. Okay, so just a little dab. Okay, so it left a really nice tint on my eyes. I really like this, and it's so simple and easy, and it just leaves a beautiful finish. So I really like the lid stars. Now we're gonna move on to just curling my eyelashes. I didn't get the mascara from Glossier, which is called the Lash Slick, just because I feel like I can get cheaper mascaras in the drugstore that are just equally as good. Each lid star is $18, which is pretty good, I'd say, for what they give you, because it's really beautiful, and I feel like these will last a really long time. And also 2 of these is $30, so you save $6 if you buy 2, which I think is a really good deal. Okay, so now we're gonna move on. My hair's a mess. So now we're gonna move on to my face makeup, which we kind of already did, but I just mean blush. I got the Cloud Paint, the Seamless Cheek color, in the color Beam. So basically, I'm just gonna put a little, I know a little bit goes a long way, so I kind of have a lot on my finger. I'm just gonna put it on a box and just like dip on it. So we're just gonna dab it on. Okay, so definitely a little bit goes a long way, because I only put a little drop on my finger and I still have this much left. So that is such a good product. This will last me for so long, I feel like, because if I only used a little tiny drop, I didn't even use the whole drop, and there's this much in it, I think that's so good. And I think this color is beautiful. I put only like a little bit on. Usually people go a little heavier, so maybe I'll put a little bit more on because it seems a little light. Okay, so now that we're done with all the products I have, my overall review is really good, but I know I have 2 more products coming in a few hours, so I'm gonna cut this video here and then come back to you guys once I have the next 2 items, which you can probably guess what it is because I skipped 2 steps of my makeup, which I always do, so yeah.
So I also got, oh, I'm not Hannah, I'm Julia, hi.
So Julia came and she got me for Christmas the Glossier, the boy brow and the halo scope, and together they were $30, and the halo scope by itself is $22, and the boy brow by itself is $16. So
it was a steal.
Yeah, it was a steal together, because together you save, give me a sec, $8. What a steal. So now we're going to test it out. This is in the color brown, I'm assuming. I'm excited.
It's in the color red.
It's only 3 colors.
Oh,
actually 4.
Oh, light, cool. I don't want to interrupt your video.
You can be in it.
Okay,
I know you. I'm
hey
scared.
YouTube. So Hannah got me this dress. It's a little, Forever 21 featuring. This dress from Forever 21. And, I looked at it, and, we got it in, October. So I was like, I like this, but I don't want to buy it because I don't have money. And Hannah's like, I have money. So she got it for me. And I got her the boy brow and stuff. We're going to get her a jumpsuit, and then she's like, nah. So.
I would use this more.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
It's so good. It's not like the Ulta one that I have, which is really goopy and gross. Yeah, I really like this. It's so good. And it matches my eyebrows perfectly. So yeah. Now moving on to the highlighter. Do I just dot it on or let's test it out. I don't know how to use it. Oh, I think I got it. It gives such a soft glow. It's so pretty. I love this so much. And this is in color quartz. I'm not sure if I said that already, but.
Guys, you might know me from the Choose in the live video. That was me. Yeah. I was in that. There's Julia Fox.
Julia Fox. Okay, I love this so much. It gives such like a soft glow. So, yeah. I definitely think all these Stop! What? Did it work? Why are you laughing?
I definitely. Go ahead.
You're judging me.
I'm not judging you.
Yeah, you are.
How am I judging you?
Why are you making fun of me?
It's what.
Okay. I definitely think all these products are really worth it, and I love the Glossier brand.
Sorry.
I think everything is so pretty, and I love it so much. But yeah, I definitely recommend all these products, so go ahead and buy them. And yeah, it's really weird because you're watching me.
Hey guys, like, subscribe, and hit the down bar below to comment, and...
Okay guys, bye!
I'm so happy I'm in the video.
So won't you stay for a moment so I can say
Hey guys, it's Hannah. JK, it's Julia. I'm the filmer, guys. I'm Freddie from iCarly.
I know your secrets. And